in the third and again in the sixth. Line drive, base hit left field, and Florida's heading to Oklahoma City. Jaimie Hoover rounded first, ended up at second. The celebration carried to the outfield. They keep right on going to the Women's College World Series in Oklahoma City. The Gators win it with a walk-off here in the eighth.
Incredible fight by both of these teams that we saw this entire weekend and, of course, today. But it's the production from the entire offense from Florida that's been able to propel them in this postseason. Jaimie Hoover getting this pitch down in the zone, a drop ball almost at her shins, and she's aggressive and she goes down and drives it into the left center gap to allow Amanda Lorenz to score the walk-off run and send them to Oklahoma City.